problem. Yes, this is the problem. This is also interesting problem. So what is that? Read that problem. In the electrolysis of 7.2 liter of aqueous solution of CuSO4 and a current of a current of 9.65 ampere is passed 2 hours, calculate. So there are three problems. First problem, second problem, third problem. Understand? Then what is that weight you have to calculate? What we have to calculate? So W by E is equal to, first you have to calculate the weight. See here volume is there and given information volume is there, current is there, time is there. First to calculate the first sub problem, W by E is equal to IT by 96,500. So first this is the first problem. Yeah, you just look into that weight. What is that weight? You have to calculate the weight of copper because you did aqueous CuSO4 on electrolysis. How much weight is deposited? What is that? How much current you passed through the solution? 9.65 and how much time? 2 hours. So W by equivalent weight. So as usual, equivalent weight is very simple. 108 by 1. Sorry, not 108. So copper, no. So this is W by equivalent weight is 63.5 by 2. Why tell me 63.5? Because Cu2 plus. So Cu2 plus, how to calculate equivalent weight? Copper atomic weight 63.5 by N factor is 2. Okay. So this is equivalent weight of Cu2 plus into what is that IT? I how much? 9.9.65 into 2 into 60 into 60 because I converted into seconds by 96,500. Then after you are getting the W value after calculation, so W you are getting 22.8 grams. Okay, so this is the problem number, very simple. Here I given, time given, equivalent weight you calculate easily. Okay, Cu2 plus. So this is the first problem. So what is the second one? What is that second one? Calculate the pH. I already told you the modal problem. Okay, what is the second one? You have to calculate the pH. What is the pH? pH is equal to minus log of H plus. Here we don't know the concentration of H plus because this is acidic only. Because previously we did in the same session we did one more problem. Solution is acidic. Okay, so solution is acidic only. So concentration of H plus is equal to what? Number of moles of H plus by V in liters. Understand? And how to calculate number of moles? You know already how to calculate number of moles. So what is that formula? I already told you. So number of moles, number of moles, W by E is equal to IT by 96,500. So W by equivalent weight is what? Molecular weight by N factor is equal to IT by 96,500. Then W by E equivalent weight. Here W by E is equal to W by E is equal to IT by 96,500 into N factor. This is W by, I'm sorry, not E, 1 second. This is easy problem. Here, molecular weight. W by molecular weight. So weight by molecular weight is nothing but number of moles. So number of moles formula, what is that another formula? IT by 96,500 into N factor. So then number of moles of H plus is equal to I given or not, tell me in the problem. I 9.65 and already time is given and already volume also given. So this is easy only. N factor for a, this is I given. What is that I given? 9 point, I given 9.65, time given 2 into 60 into 60 by 96,500 into, so here N factor is 1 because H plus, no, already I told previously in this what is that gas coming in anode, what is that H plus ions? H plus ions are liberated at anode, no? So H plus ions are liberated at anode, so that H plus ions n factor is 1. So by applying this formula, number of moles of H plus you are getting 0.72. Okay, so this is the number of moles of H plus you are getting. So then substitute the same number of moles of H plus here. So concentration of H plus is equal to number of moles of H plus is 0.72 by volume, how much it is, 7.2 liters. Then concentration of H plus you are getting 0.1, nothing but 10 per minus 1. Then very easy to calculate. pH is equal to minus log of H plus, then minus log of 10 per minus 1, then pH is equal to 1. pH is less than 7 means solution is acidic. That's why in at cathode, at anode H plus ions are liberated. No, at anode H plus ions are liberated means solution is acidic. That's why pH will be 1, less than 7. Okay, this is the second one. And what about third one? First one, second one, third one. What about third one? Volume of O2 produced at anode at STP. Third one, how to calculate? Third one, I already told you the sequence formula. Again, don't confuse. So what is the third one? Volume of O2 by, I already told you, volume of O2 by 5.6 is into IT by 96,500. This I already told you sequence formula. You can take one part of that sequence formula. So here you have to calculate VO2. Then VO2 by 5.6 is equal to I value 9.65 into 2 into 60 into 60 by 96,500. Approximately you are getting 4 liters. Okay. So this is volume of O2. There are three problems are there, three sub problems are there. So we completed those three sub problems. First one you have to calculate weight. Okay, this formula. Next you have to calculate pH. Next you have to calculate volume of O2. Okay, so this is really good and wonderful problem. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. And next problem. Yes. Next problem, Al2O3 reduced by electrolysis at low potentials and 4 into 10 power 4 amperes of current is passed through molten Al2O3 6 hours. Calculate the mass. Again, simple, same model problem. What is that? Same. W by E is equal to IT by 96,500. Okay. And W you have to calculate here, already given directly, mass. And equivalent weight is what? Molecular weight by N factor. So aluminium 27 by 3 is equal to I value. How much I value? Current 4 into 10 per 4 in 4. So given already time, current they given already, amperes, I value given already. Okay, and 6 hours, no? So 6 into 60 into 60 I converted into seconds by 96,500. So after calculation answer you will get approximately 8.058 into 10 power minus 4. So this is our answer. I hope it is clear. You can understand. Okay. So next problem. Yes, what is that next problem? This is very simple problem and easy problem. Yes, 1 Faraday of electricity is passed through 10 liter of aqueous solution of NaCl. Okay, calculate the pH. Same. Okay, and the first of all you can see here the solution is in basic. Okay, solution is basic. Why, tell me why solution is basic? Because OH minus ions are produced. That's why solution is basic. I hope it is clear. And how to do this problem? Very simple. First of all, you know already number of moles formula. Here I once again I will write it, W by equivalent weight is equal to IT by, because current already given 1 Faraday, IT by 96,500, or else W by W by equivalent weight means molecular weight by N factor is equal to, so IT by 96,500. I hope it is clear. So 1 Faraday means how many coulombs? 96,500 coulombs. Then you can modify that formula. What is that? How to modify that formula? W by molecular weight by N factor is equal to Q by 96,500. Okay, so this is very easy. 1 Faraday means 96,500 coulombs. Okay, then how to calculate? Then W by M molecular weight is equal to, then what you are getting? Q by 96,500 into N factor. This is nothing but number of moles. So number of moles of OH minus. Here why you have to take it OH minus? Because solution is in basic. So the number of moles of OH minus is equal to Q by 96,000. Here Q by 96,500 into N factor. First of all, you have to calculate POH. POH is equal to, what is that? 14 minus pH. Okay. And if you wanted to calculate POH, what is another formula? What is another formula? POH is equal to minus log of OH minus. So OH minus concentration, how to calculate? Number of moles of OH minus by V in liters. So you first here you calculate number of moles of OH minus, that you substitute here, then you are getting OH minus. If you getting OH minus means you will get POH. If you know POH means very easy to calculate pH. I hope it is clear. Okay. Then what is that? Number of moles of OH minus is equal to, so what is that given? Q. Q already given, no, 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday means 96,500 by 96,500 into OH minus N factor is 1. So OH minus N factor is 1 only. Okay. OH minus N factor is 1. Then what is that? Here number of moles of OH minus is equal to 1. Okay. So number of moles of OH minus is 1. Then volume how much given? 10 liter. You check it here. Number of, you find it here, number of moles of OH minus. Then OH minus concentration is equal to 1 by number of moles of OH minus is 1. So what is that? 1 by, what is that volume given? What is that volume given already? What is that volume given already? 10 liters. Okay, volume already given in 10 liters. So this is 1 by 10. This is 1 by 10. Then concentration of OH minus is equal to 10 power minus 1. Okay, concentration of OH is 10 power minus 1. Then you can find it very easily, POH. So what is that? POH is equal to, so minus log of OH minus, then minus log of 10 power minus 1. Then POH is equal to 1. Then pH is equal to 14 minus POH. Then 14 minus 1. So answer 13. That's why solution is in basic medium. Why solution is in basic medium? Because what is that? Tell me. OH minus. Okay. OH minus means basic only, no? That's why. So very simple. Here you just observe the problem. Here very simple. We applied this problem. First number of moles we calculated by using this combination formula only. We got this formula. Hope you understand. Number of moles. After that you substituted here. Then you are getting concentration of OH minus. After getting concentration of OH minus, you find it POH. Then you find it pH. Hope you understand. Very easy and simple problem. I hope it is clear. Okay. Then the next problem. This is last problem in this session, and this is one of the AAP MT question. So what you have to calculate? here you have to calculate the weight of silver and what they given volume of O2. Then which combination? I already told you, no. So W by E is equal to IT by 96,500 is equal to Q by 96,500 is equal to volume of H2 by 11.2 liter and volume of O2 by 5.16 liter. And what is that another thing? So W1 by E1 is equal to, like this is there, no. In this you have to take this particular combination formula. You choose combination depends upon the given information in the problem. Okay, so which combination you have to take it? This combination. So W by silver equivalent weight. What is that silver equivalent weight? 108 by 1 is equal to, because molecular weight by n factor. Then volume of O2 already given. What is that volume of O2? 5,600. This is 5,600. No, this you need to convert it into liters. Then it become 5.6. 5.6 by 5.6. I already told you, no, 5.6 liters. So this is become 1. Then W is 108 grams. I hope it is clear. This problem, very simple problem. I hope you understand modal problems and everything. Okay, then Faraday's last problem. I hope you never feel difficult. Thank you.